So today I want to talk about diabetes mellitus. So many people get diabetes. They never even know say they get diabetes. Diabetes is a serious health condition. When it be say the person body either not they produce enough insulin. Insulin na hormone when be say they break down blood glucose, right? The person body feel not they produce enough insulin, or the person body no they use the insulin when they produce properly. It go come make the blood glucose, which is the sugar for the blood. Since insulin they break down blood sugar, and the person body no they use the insulin properly, or the person body no they produce insulin, it go make the blood sugar of that person they high. Now they call diabetes mellitus. Okay, you get 3 types of diabetes mellitus. Number 1, type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes na condition when be say the person no they produce insulin at all. Like the person body no they produce insulin at all. People when get the type 1 diabetes, they go need to they give themselves insulin injection every day. Depends on how the doctor tell them they take them. Usually now after every meal, or before every meal, right? They go need to live on insulin injection. That one, there's nothing they can do, no cure for that one. Okay, this type 1 diabetes, they diagnose them when people they like very young, maybe like 2 years, some 1 year. They already tell them say they get type 1 diabetes, or during adolescence, right? So they have to live on insulin, you know, get cure. Type 2 diabetes, now another type of diabetes. This one, now the kind of diabetes when be say the person they produce insulin, but the insulin not they reach, is not enough to break down the sugar when they the person body, right? The person they produce insulin, but it not reach, or the person they produce insulin, but the body not they use them well. The insulin when the person they produce, the body not they use them well to break down the blood glucose level. So in that case, the blood glucose level go still they high, right? People when they get this type 2 diabetes, mostly now because maybe they overweight, or they get poor diet, or they're not really they physically active. So that type 2 diabetes, to some extent, if it's still they reversible, if you reverse them by proper diet, when people go on strict diet, if they go on proper diets, if you go back, then if they more physically active, if you go back, or they fit still use tablets to control them. So that one are the 3 ways when you go fit say manage that type 2 diabetes. Most times